This is directional bias for xaauusd for next week. So next week Wednesday we'll be having CPI news that might trigger the volatility or not. But with what we're seeing here, xaauusd gold is still very much bullish and will still keep maintaining the buy trend until this higher low is broken. Once higher low is broken, and that means we can see that price now is overall bearish on the higher time frame. But what we can see here, all these pullbacks and all this movement is within the highs, is within the pullback. For example, now price gave us this higher high, then gave us this higher low right here. Every single thing that's happening here is for price to buy all the way up. So once price, we're expecting price to break this high and to keep maintaining our bullish trend. So if you took your trade from this region, your swing trade, you are still safe to say that okay, price is still going to come here, except there's a change in direction. Price breaks this low right here. But now what we're expecting is for just like a day trade, expecting price to go up here, price to trigger this zone here. There's an order block right here. After price broke this breaker block for it to go up, we're also still expecting price to come all the way to this zone, this breaker block zone, and go up. And this is my directional bias for the week. I'm expecting price to keep going up and price to still keep buying up. Even if price breaks this high, right, it's still within the zone, right? That means price has not yet broken the higher high and price has not yet broken the higher low yet. We are still trading in the pullback zone and in the directional bias zone. You can go to the lower time frame like the 15 minutes or the 5 minutes or the 30 minutes to find trades and day trades. But I advise that if you don't know how to trade pullbacks, because it looks like the sellers are kind of much and the buyers too are still here, sellers and buyers have like almost the same kind of momentum, I advise you that you just trade the buys and don't really focus much on the sells, right? Because from next week we can expect more buyers than sellers in the market.